One of my friends asked me on how to make an FM radio antenna. So I wanted to try it out. But I did not have a regular FM radio with me. So I was wondering what to do. It is then that I came across this simple ampli speaker. I had bought this as an ampli speaker, and it had a microphone which got damaged later. The important feature of this ampli speaker is that this has several modes. This is the port for using a mic, phono jack, and you can have an auxiliary input also here. There's a USB port over here. This USB is for charging. USB mini port is for charging. You can input 5 volts here and you can charge it. And this is the on off switch. And this one works also as an FM radio. If you give an antenna here, it's not exactly an antenna, you connect the mic here. It had a built-in or a mic supplied with it, which got damaged and I don't have it now. So if you connect a mic there, the mic cord or probably something like that would act as an antenna, and this can receive FM signals from the local FM broadcast. Now I'll switch it on.
Welcome to Landmark Music. Bluetooth.
So now the connection is on Bluetooth, and there is a display of light going on here. Interesting display over here. You can switch it off. That is, the light display can be switched off by a long press here. See, the light display has gone. Short press here will change the mode.
FM mode.
Now it has gone to FM mode. A short press change it from Bluetooth to FM mode. You can use this as a Bluetooth speaker. You can cast from your computer, mobile phone or any other device to the speaker and have a better audio. I am using it for listening music. And you have noted that when FM mode was activated, only the hissing sound was heard, no station was heard. That's because antenna has not been connected. Antenna means the mic. I have another mic here. You can see this is the mic and this is the cable. I'll try attaching that here. Now I'll switch on.
Welcome to Landmark Music. Bluetooth.
Again, the default mode is Bluetooth. I'll change it.
FM mode.
You can use this for tuning. You could hear an FM station when I lifted up the cable, but that was not very clear. Maybe because the signal strength is not high indoors, and we need performance to be improved by using a better antenna. So I have some scope for improvement using a homebrew FM antenna. That's what I am going to try. I had this stereo pin with the 2 speaker wires on either side for connecting from another ampli speaker to a couple of speakers. I thought of using this. I needed an adapter because this is a 3.5 mm pin while the socket is 6.5 mm. So I'll take an adapter for that. This is a 3.5 mm to 6.5 mm adapter. You can connect the 3.5 mm pin on one side, and the other side you will have a 6.5 mm pin. I have connected the adapter and this will go nicely into the phono jack. Done is I have measured 75 centimeter to either side and tied it between two chairs. There is not much of a height for this antenna because this is the only distance between the antenna and the receiver. By the time I finished that work, the speaker had gone into low power, and so I am using a power bank to charge the speaker, and you can see the red LED lighting up when I am using the power bank to charge the speaker. This is the LED which has lit up. The speaker does not have a volume control. I will keep it on the table in the other way around so that at least the audio will be a little lesser. Otherwise, it is difficult to test being very loud. You can see that this very simple dipole antenna for FM has also been useful in receiving the signal. It is not at all high. This is hardly a few centimeters from the speaker. Only difference is that it is a dipole. You can see that it is 75 centimeter to both sides, so that it will be corresponding to 100 megahertz frequency. The station which you are hearing was on 91.9 megahertz, one of the popular FM stations over here, and it's exactly not tuned to that frequency. Still, I can use this as a simple dipole antenna. This is the first step. Now the next step will be to keep it at a higher level and see how it functions.